Twilight Sparkle and... Pinkie Pie? Are you psychic? No. I don't think so. Unless, of course, that's something you can do here. Not usually.
I'm Ratchet. This is Clank.
Fluttershy said this is where I'd find the head of the Fall Formal Planning Committee. Fluttershy, huh? Don't let the whole shy thing fool you. She can be a real meanie. You two aren't friends? Waited a bit to get your name on the ballot, huh? Dance is day after tomorrow. I'm brand new here. Ooh! I thought you didn't look familiar. So, now that I'm really looking at you, do you have a twin sister who lives in the city, has a pet dog named Spike that looks just like that one? Maybe? Thought so. Anywho, just need to fill this out and you are officially up for the coveted Princess of the Fall Formal Crown. Wow, you have really bad handwriting. It's like you never held a pen before. Is it?
Somebody order a dozen cases of fizzy apple cider.
Ooh, me! Yeah, me!
Can you bring in the rest?
Yep.
Hey, I know you.
You do?
Sure. You're the new girl who gave Sunset Shimmer the what for today.
Twilight Sparkle here is gonna run against Sunset Shimmer for Princess of the Fall Formal.
I'd think twice about that. Oh, sure, she'll probably approach you all friendly-like. I sure am looking forward to some friendly competition. That's so good to hear. But then, here comes the backstabbing. About the only girl at this school you can trust less than Sunset Shimmer is Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash? She's the captain of, like, every team at Canterlot High.
She's also the captain that's saying she's gonna do something for you, and then turning around and not even bothering to show up.
Thanks for the advice, Applejack. But this is something I really need to do.
Huh? Suit yourself. Hey, how'd you know my name was Applejack?
Didn't you say?
Nope.
Well, it was sure nice meeting you both. I'm sure I'll be seeing you around.